Good morning, Mr. Tan and friends. I am Shin Yong and these are my teammates. They are Huicun, Yilong, and Huicun. Huicun is presenting task 3 on common algebra mistakes that students commonly make. Yilong is doing task 6 on a case study about crime, and Huicun and I are doing a poll regarding a game on task 9.
Question 1. 87 times bracket 25 minus bracket cube root 64 divided by half minus 6 times bracket 5 plus 13. Option A, 2059. Wrong. It should be 87 times bracket 25 minus A bracket minus 6 times 18 and not 87 times 25 minus 8 minus 6 times 18. Students neglected the bracket 25 minus A and straight away multiplied 25 to 87 instead of minus 8 to 25, then multiplying by 87. B. Negative 7917. Wrong. After simplifying, the expression should be 87 times bracket 25 minus A bracket minus 6 times 18 and not 87 times bracket 25 minus A minus 6 times 18 bracket. Students put minus 8 times minus 6 times 18 into the bracket, which is wrong. C. 1371. Correct. Students followed the rule of operations correctly and got to the correct answer. D. 1462. Wrong. Students neglected the bracket 5 plus 13 and wrote negative 6 times 5 plus 13 instead of negative 6 times bracket 5 plus 13. Question 2. Find the lowest common multiple of 7, 362, 780, and 88. A. 21741720. Correct. Students found the LCM of 7, 362, 780, and 88 correctly. B. 173933760. Wrong. Students just multiply the 4 numbers together to obtain their LCM. It is their common multiple, but not the lowest. C. 1. Wrong. Students mistaken between highest common factor and lowest common multiple. They went to find the HCF instead. D. 5435430. Wrong. Students did not multiply the factor 2 that is in 780 and 88. Students only multiply the 2 that is in 362. Question 3. Factorize negative 7a cubed b squared, negative 84a b to the power of 4, negative 14ab. Option A, negative 7ab bracket a squared b plus 12b cubed plus 2. Correct. Students factorized the letters, signs, and the numbers correctly. B. 7ab bracket negative a squared b minus 12b cubed minus 2. Wrong. Students did not factorize the minus sign. C. Negative 7ab bracket a squared b plus 12a cubed b cubed plus square plus 2. Wrong. Students mistaken negative ab negative 84a b to the power of 4 as negative 84 a to the power of 4 b to the power of 4. D. Negative 7ab bracket a squared b minus 12b cubed minus 2. Wrong. Students made a careless mistake. They factorized the minus sign, but in the brackets, the sign is still minus and not plus. Question 4. Expand the following expressions. 2a plus 83 bracket 3b minus 6a squared. Option A. 2a plus 249b minus 49a squared. Correct. Students multiplied and changed the signs correctly. B. 498b 498ab minus 996a cubed. Wrong. Students multiplied both 2a and 83 into the expression. The term outside the bracket is 83, so only 83 should be multiplied into the expression. C. 2a plus 249b plus 49a squared. Option C. 2a plus 249b plus 498a squared. Wrong. Students multiply 83 into the bracket, but forgot to change the sign for the second term in the bracket. Positive times negative equals to negative. Last option, D. 2a plus 249b minus 6a squared. Wrong. Students only multiply 83 to 3b, but not to negative 6a squared. Students should multiply 83 to both 3b and negative 6a squared. Question 5. 8a plus 376 equals to 2a plus 500. Find a. Option A, 20 and 2 thirds. Correct. Students found the correct A. B, 87.6. Wrong. Students did not change the sign of the equation to balance it. Thus, the value obtained is wrong. C, 124. Wrong. Students found the 6A but not A. D, 21. Wrong. Students rounded off the correct answer. He or she should just leave it as a mixed number, not an improper fraction.
Clues in solving car theft. The car thief was not arrested at Bankstown or Ryde. Detective Smith made an arrest at Campbelltown on Monday. Ken was not arrested for shoplifting or car theft. Leslie was arrested on Saturday, but he was not arrested at Ryde. This is the second time Mustafa has been arrested for robbery. The car thief was arrested on Monday. Now, let's go see the important notes to solving car theft. The car thief was arrested on Monday. The car thief, which is a crime, was arrested on Monday, which is a day. So this shows that, right, we can know that what is the crime and the day. Let's look part of the next evidence. Detective Smith made an arrest on Monday at Campbelltown. As the days are connected, Campbelltown is also involved now. So now we know that the crime, which is car theft, a day, which is Monday, and place is Campbelltown. Now, who is the person, you may ask? Well, let's dive right in and solve it. So for person, each of them had their own piece of evidence. Ken was not arrested for car theft. Leslie was arrested on a Saturday. Musfa committed robbery. That just leaves with one person, Ailey. So, in conclusion, the person is Ailey, which committed car theft on Monday at Campbelltown. After solving the car theft, now we are doing the robbery incident. The clues. Detective Smith made an arrest at Campbelltown on Monday. Shoplifting is becoming a major problem in Miranda. Leslie was arrested on Saturday, but he was not arrested at Ryde. The assault arrest happened on Friday, but the criminal was neither Leslie nor Ailey. This is the second time Musfa has been arrested for robbery. The robber was not arrested at Ryde. Now, let's dive right in to find out the important notes to solving this crime. This is the second time Musfa has been arrested for robbery. So for sure, we know that the person is Musfa and the crime is robbery. Now, let's try to solve the place. Shoplifting is becoming a major problem in Miranda. The robber was not arrested at Ryde. These two pieces of evidence let us know that the answer is Bankstown. As Miranda, no one was arrested there yet. Right? No one was arrested there yet. As for Campbelltown, Ali was arrested there. Now we're done to solving three clues: Musfa, robbery, and Bankstown. Now let's find out the day. The day. Monday. An arrest at Campbelltown. So Detective Smith arrested someone at Campbelltown on Monday. Friday, assault arrest. The Detective Smith arrests the criminal on Friday due to assault. Saturday, Leslie was arrested. So they just leave on Wednesday. For the final piece of evidence and conclusion, we know that Musfa was arrested on Wednesday at Bankstown due to the crime he committed, robbery. After solving the car thief and the robbery case, now let's head right into solving assault. The clues. Ken was not arrested for shoplifting or car theft. Shoplifting is becoming a major problem in Miranda. Leslie was arrested on Saturday, but he was not arrested at Ryde. The assault arrest happened on Friday, but the criminal was neither Leslie or Ailey. This is the second time Musfa has been arrested for robbery. Ailey was not arrested for shoplifting, and he was not arrested on Wednesday or Friday. Now the important notes. The assault, which is a crime, arrest, happened on Friday, which is the day, but the criminal was neither Leslie nor Eileen. So there are left two clues left unsolved, but we can solve it through here. The person, Eileen. Eileen was not arrested on Friday. Ken was not arrested for shoplifting or car theft. Leslie was arrested on a Saturday. Musfa committed robbery. Place, Bankstown. Musfa was arrested there. Campbelltown. Ali was arrested there. Miranda, shoplifting. That just leave with Ken and Wright. So the answer is Ken is the person, Wright is the place, assault and on Friday. So in conclusion, Ken committed assault or at Wright on Friday. This is our final case, shoplifting. Clues in solving shoplifting. Shoplifting is becoming a major problem in Miranda. Leslie was arrested on Saturday, but he was not arrested at Ride. The assault arrest happened on Friday, but the criminal was neither Leslie nor Eileen. This is the second time Musfa has been arrested for robbery. Ali was not arrested for shoplifting, and he was not arrested on Wednesday or Friday. The car thief was arrested on Monday. Through these clues, we can understand something. Let's find out. Shoplifting important notes. Shoplifting crime is becoming a major problem in Miranda Place. Leslie person was arrested on Saturday day, but he was not arrested at riot. So these four clues we'll try to bring them together. Crime. Assault was not arrested for assault. Car theft was arrested on a Monday. Robbery. Musfak committed it. Shoplifting. Miranda. So the place is Miranda. Crime, shoplifting, place Miranda. Leslie Saturday. So in conclusion, crime is shoplifting, place Miranda. Leslie Saturday. Leslie must have committed a crime which is shoplifting at Miranda on a Saturday.
For task 9, we asked people in the school to participate in a poll asking them about their favorite brook in Brooker's Aquatic Park, and after a lot of hard work, we managed to get 26 responses. In Brooker Aquatic Park, there are multiple brooks such as the Old Boot, jellyfish, clownfish, frog, crab, pufferfish, blobfish, octopus, narwhal, dolphin, baby shark, and megalodon. Out of all these options, and in our 26 responses, 7 people voted for the megalodon, 2 people voted for the baby shark, 2 for narwhal, 4 for blobfish, 3 for crab, 4 for frog, 3 for jellyfish, and 1 for oboot, very surprisingly. As we can tell from this poll, Megalodon seems to be the most popular brook in Brooker's Aquatic Park, and the least popular brooks will be dolphin, octopus, pufferfish, and clownfish, as nobody had voted for them. I hope you get an insight about people's favorite brook in Brooker's Aquatic Park.
Thank you for taking the time to listen to our presentation and findings. We hope you all have learned something new today.